Alright, took a little time off from this project. I'm just getting back to it here. What I've done is set this up so that this is the offset I want. This is the window I'm looking for. I found a piece of scrap that's the right size, and I just use that as a spacer here. Got everything squared up and lined up. I'm going to drill my first hole, then I'm going to pin it, and then I'm going to move over 2 inches. Okay, now that that's pinned, that's nice and flush. That stayed nice and square. I'll drill these two, and then we can move forward here. Okay, there it is. This is square, which is, you know, that's something you want to have for sure. So that worked out well. A couple of improvements that I'm going to make. One is to countersink this and these. I think once I get the paper off, or the protective film, it'll sit in there just nice. Okay, I'm going 3/4 of an inch from each side here, which gives me a little bit wider than an inch. Probably an inch and 1.125. And then I also spaced a line back so I have a ridge supporting this plastic piece all the way around. So this is the opening I'm going to cut right here. All the way through. Just using my handheld scroll saw to, or coping saw to cut that out. So I'll cut to the line with my router now. Alright, because I lost my line, you know, coming over and down, I just took my utility knife, dropped it in this up here, on the line up here, and dropped it down as plumb as I could. So I've got a new line, and that line then needs to get scribed to this. So I have to locate where I want it. Right there. And then scribe it on my plastic here. But I'm going to want the line on the bottom side, not the top side. So if I do it this way and then flip it end for end, I should be okay. Well, let's see. If I do it this way and flip it end for end, yeah, that should match up. Alright, I've got it centered on that pencil mark. It should be deep enough. And then here's a little tip for you. I can't find my marker. Instead of using permanent marker, use a dry erase marker. It's much easier to clean off.